All right, so we are staying in an ocean suite on the Carnival Celebration. Our room number is 14428, and I'm gonna give you a tour. So come on in. All right, so as I said, this is an ocean suite, so it is a room that holds up to 4 people, and it is a little longer than a regular standard balcony room. So that's the room at a quick glance, but first we're gonna go into the washroom. So it's actually not a bad size. I think it is a little bigger than a regular balcony room. It has a sink area, couple shelves. I do find that maybe for 4 people is not enough shelving. So quick edit, I did notice later on after doing this video that there are more shelves underneath. They do have some supplies there, but there's also lots of room to put some stuff if you don't have enough room up top. But my favorite part is the shower because it's an actual sliding door and it's a good size. You come on in. They give you shampoo and shower gel. You have the shower head, and there is a little, step pedestal there that you can put your foot up on. I haven't really used it, so I'm not really sure. And then of course you have the string that you can put across to hang up clothing to dry. All right, so now we will take a look at the rest of the room. So the first thing you see is the big king size bed. It's 2 smaller beds put together. It's really nice. Each side has a little table with a USB plug and a reading light. So that's helpful, and that's on each side. And then you also have lights to control the room here and one other light for a little backlit on the bed. I hit that in the middle of the night one night and the whole room lit up. And then you have a TV for this bed. Now there is not a lot of room, walking space between the bed and the wall and the TV. So you have to, kind of make sure you don't hit anything. And then we come to a little desk area, I guess you want to call it. And it comes with a mirror with a nice ring light. And there are some drawers there with a chair. And then the room also comes with a fridge. Now it says it's not a fridge. There's a little sign there that says it's not a fridge. It's not for medication. So if you need to do that, then definitely call the front desk. But I have found that it keeps our pop and our water quite cold. So it's good for drinks. And then also, one thing that I always look for, because I'm a YouTuber, I need lots of powering of my devices. So I want to just show this, that there is lots of USB slots and regular power adapter slots. So not an issue there. And then you have the closet space, which I feel this room is definitely adequate on that front. So I'll show you a little bit of what's in here. So you have some hanging shelf area, the safe, and then you have a couple drawers here that pull out if you want. And that bottom one pulls out as well. And then on this side, you have hanging capabilities. And what I found really neat about this side is there is this way of making more room for yourself. So this shelf can be, let's see here, up or down. So this can come down and you can have extra shelving if you want. Or I wanted extra hanging space, so I put it up. And I'm pretty sure like this shelf does it too. And there's a couple other shelves that do it. So you can kind of rearrange the shelving to fit your needs. I'll show you in here. You have more hanging space and your robes. And then again, more shelving space and hanging space. All right. And there is a ladder here because, and I'll show you too, there is a full-length mirror on the door of this one. Now, as I was saying, there is a ladder because this does house up to 4 people. So you have a couch here that turns into a bed, and then up there is the capabilities of having 4 beds. So that pulls down at night and creates a 4th bed. So then that's what the ladder is for, to get you up there. And then you have more storage space and an individual TV. So this room is kind of really cool because I didn't show you this part. You have the capabilities of partitioning off this room, okay, with a curtain, which is kind of neat. We did have a table right in the middle of the room. We moved that out of the way because we were always hitting it. And now I'm going to show you the balcony. So that's a quick glance of the balcony from the room. To open, you just take this handle and you take it all the way down, clicks into place, and then you can slide the door back and forth. All right, so it is an extended balcony. So it goes out quite a bit. It's quite nice. And you can see quite a bit of the ocean or the ports that you're going to. I'll give you a quick look. You do have a full wall of privacy on the one side of you, but unfortunately there is limited privacy on this side. As you can see into other people's areas and they can see into yours. But there is the other side, so full privacy on that side, which is nice. And yes, you get 2 chairs and a table and quite a bit of space. It's a really nice balcony. Thank you for watching my video. As you take a look at some of the beautiful views from the balcony, I would love to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I enjoy traveling and I share my experiences so that you know what to expect before you go. I've got lots of Carnival Celebration content coming soon. I enjoy Vegas and all-inclusive resorts. So make sure to subscribe and like if this is the kind of content that you enjoy. Thank you.